Mark Ewan here, looking at the Yanmar VIO80-1. Starting at the front here, the first thing that we notice is the hosing on this machine. The machine is fitted with a PTO1 and also a PTO2, but from the boom end down the dipper arm, you'll notice all the hoses are still braided. Obviously this is the most hazardous part of the excavator, where it's digging in trenches and around obstacles. So to protect the hoses, Yanmar have gone to the extra extent of steel braiding the hoses on the boom down. At the front here, we're talking about arm and breakout. We have a combination of breakout for the arm and bucket of 104 kilonewtons, 63.5 on the bucket and 40.8 kilonewtons on the dipper arm. The more important part of the Yanmar VIO80 is it's fitted with VIPS hydraulics. The VIPS hydraulics, Yanmar technology, developed back in 1993, and it was designed really for the balance, power and speed of the machines. Hence we have the VIPS combines all three pumps and gives adequate flow to whatever, be it the bucket, the dipper arm or the boom, where it's required. But it also gives you that nice, smooth, simultaneous operation, hence being the hydraulic balance of the machine. As we walk around the machine, we see the LED light is located underneath the boom. So it's pointing directly at the working area of the machine for when you're working in dim light, night work. We go back. We've got a large construction dozer blade. We can see that it's got a guard over the cylinder to protect the hydraulic cylinder. Also, the hoses that are exposed are steel braided hoses down the bottom there as well. The machine is fitted with holding valves for the boom and also the dipper arm. You can see that we've got guarding around the actual valves. We can see that we've got guarding around the piping that goes into the cylinders, so none of the connections can get broken. And then we see this large cast swing boom here. The bracket here is quite substantial for this size machine. Large single king post pin. Most of our competitors run 2 pins here, but we've got a large king pin, and it's also greasable, and obviously it's bushed. The angles on this machine, you can dig right angles left and right, so if you're in a tight confined area, the machine is zero tail swing, the front won't hang outside the track, so you can dig right angles at the right hand side or the left hand side of the machine in a tight confined area. As you can see, you've got nice strong casting on the corner of the machine. And then when we look down here, we've got, again, Yanmar unique technology, the Victas tracks. So that's VICTAS, which basically is an offset track. And the reason that they've done that, again, is for stability. So they widened the actual undercarriage the wide as they can without exceeding 2.3 meters.
So this machine here is 2,270 millimeters.
And it stays under that 2.3 so that you can get it inside a track. So you've got dual flange rollers on the machine, on the undercarriage, also for the point of contact, so that when you're working over the side, you've got good lift capacities. You lift up the hood here, you've got a lockable hood with your diesel fuel located underneath. Hydraulic oil is accessible from the top here for fill up. Whilst we're looking up the top here, we've got the air conditioning unit with also the condenser and fan located on top. And we walk around to the back of the machine. Serviceability is very good on the machine, and again, something Yanmar does very well is the heat balance. So we can see a large oil cooler radiator here, nice clean area here, easy for it to breathe. Large wavy fin oil cooler and also radiator. You've got the battery located down here, easy to charge if required. And you'll notice the vents, little things like this, attention to detail, so it blows the hot air out of the way of anybody that's working around the machine. Balance on a Yanmar, we're talking about the counterweight, large counterweight, but more importantly what Yanmar do is they add additional counterweight through stick steel plates underneath the machine. It's a little hard to tell here, but when we walk around the front I'll show you a little better. So we walk around the front here, the body of the machine's all inside your tracks here. What I was referring to as plates, you can see the thickness of the plate here. This plate, which is roughly 12 millimeters, goes right underneath the machine to give it that weight distribution, to give it good stability for a zero tail swing machine. From here we go to the cab. Good sized cab, suspension seat. You can slide the seat back and forth from here. You can adjust the suspension seat here. You can slide the seat, but you can also slide the controls with the seat. You've got adjustable armrest, and you'll notice you've got large foot pedals here if you're operating in holes going up batters, so you can use your feet to steer and also still control the controls. You've got proportional flow left and right levers for PTO1 and PTO2. The machines are fitted with Smart Assist. You've got 5 years free subscription with each machine. The LCD screen will display your fuel levels, coolant levels, temperatures, daily work. You can also see full service history, error codes that come up. There's an app that you can download on your mobile phone that will see whatever the operator is seeing, plus additional information, or from your PC and laptop. You've fitted with a auto decel and also an eco mode for fuel efficiency in the machine. Visibility quite good out of the machine. You've got large windscreen, sliding windows. Your hydraulic quick hitch box, because it's a Yanmar piped machine, and they also have Yanmar quick hitch available for this machine. You can operate your hydraulic quick hitch from here, power button, disengage, engage the quick hitch for attachments. You have automatic travel 2-speed, so if the resistance gets too tough, it'll knock it back to first, and when you're going along flat ground, second gear. From there you've got your safety lever to hop out, and you can also slide the window up, and you can take the bottom glass and put it into the side here. For any further information on the Yanmar VIO80-1, please contact your Yanmar dealer.